Hello again everyone, this is Haging, and this is the last part of how I make my videos. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my thumbnails. Okay, so first we gotta get the girl, of course, from the meme Wreck-It Ralph 2 from the movie. That's a meme from the movie, you know the drill, yeah. Then, as you can see from this icon, we have to restrict this layer so we can do any changes. Just press right mouse click and press rasterize layer, and for the rest too. Yeah, so now we should empty this screen so we can fit our image inside of it. For that I get eraser tool, I zoom in a little bit, I press Alt. Yeah, Alt and right mouse button. Now I just empty it. You can go straight line when pressing Shift. For these fingers is gonna be a little harder, so I'm gonna select Magic Eraser tool from the eraser. You know, you press right mouse button and you can select a couple of those. I select Magic Eraser tool. Yeah, it helped a little bit. Okay, now I pressed it a couple of times and it looks fine to me. It's fine to me. Now I made some screenshots from the videos I showed you earlier with Siren Head, and I'm gonna just paste it inside of her screen. I press Ctrl T and I can move it around. So I adjusted it a little bit, and it's inside the screen of her, you know? Press enter, and what I like to do, I press Ctrl Shift A, and the camera raw tool pops out. What we're doing here is we just enhance the image. It looks better, better quality, better color. Everything's much better with this tool. So you just play around with these things, you know. I'm gonna show what I like to do. So that's what we got. That's how it was. You see, that's ugly a little bit. That's how it is now. Much better, much better. Now I have a Minecraft logo to put it right here on the laptop's edge, you know? Just like that. Now it certainly is Minecraft. And the most important part is an arrow. You adjust it how you want, I like it that way, when it's on the left up corner of the screen. It shows you the Siren Head. I don't know, it's like much better. So that's basically it. What else we can do? Oh wait, let me just show you with one more Siren Head server screen. So that's another Siren Head, and I'm just gonna do the same thing I did with the last one. I press Ctrl Shift A and I change some colors and enhance the image. And yeah, that's now what I did a couple of times because it looks better. I'm just gonna hide all of these and be left with the main screen. We can just cut this window and place a Minecraft background inside of it. It looks much better. Let me just show you. So now we have an empty window right here. And yeah, now we got a Minecraft background. We need to cut it so it doesn't bother our screen, the girl's screen. Yeah, now we just show these two. And now this is a perfect thumbnail. Perfect thumb. And that's another one. Looks amazing. I know you guys like that. So I think that's basically it for this video. I'm gonna see you another time with another idea, because I showed you basically how I make my entire video. How I make my video, thumbnail, how I edit it, and the idea behind it, how I make scenarios. You know, I showed you everything. So I'm just gonna come up with some other idea and do some more videos for you guys. Thank you very much. See you another time, guys. See you.